So I recently checked the Twitter account of Xiaomi and I happened to notice MiMo-code being launched. So this is basically their own terminal with the subscription option. So they are going to tie this particular command line interface with their subscription. So if you look at this, it is similar to OpenCode, right? And currently, based on their GitHub, they are saying it has 4 options. So MiMo-Auto, which would be free for time being, then Platform, which would basically tie to the subscription. Then you can also import the Cloud Code, right? And finally, Custom Provider. So as far as Custom Provider part is concerned, I can attach this to similar platforms and connect their base URL and API key. And I would be able to access other models than Xiaomi's MiMo into this command line interface. But I have not set this up. So my goal is to use one of the options. So curl command I can use. Another is using this particular MiMo CLI through npm, right? So we'll take a look at this, and if we use this particular command, it will begin setting it up. So once set it up, you can simply clear it up and type in MiMo, which would help run the command line interface like your open code. Obviously branding will change. Now here you can see currently it is, so as you can see one of the root folder, I decided to move this to this particular project folder, right? I have to press this before I can proceed further. Now you have to select the option with the drop down, and here I'm trusting the folder, right? Now at this time you can see you have option to see the directory, this interactive animated background like this, and also the MiMo-Auto, right? This is the router we are using and it comes by default. It is free for time being, and if you want to switch, simply go to /connect, right? And then you would be able to change to another provider. So Xiaomi is default, and you can also move your settings from Cloud Code, so you don't have to use that. Then other options, OpenAI, Anthropic, and other models and their respective token plans. You also have third-party companies, Hugging Face, Novita, XAI, Fireworks, then Vulture, and so on. But if you don't want to explore that, simply select Escape. Now here I can ask it to do me a code review so that I would understand this project, and you want to try to get the idea before I can code review. So I will ask what this project is about, right? And first we have to also sign for the terms and privacy, right? So once we do, we'll make the request. As you can see, it is pretty fast considering it is free for time being, and it is sending all our queries to their server so that it can improve. You can see it immediately went through the readme and other files. You can see this is REST API server for a sample database which is not made. Express 5 and SQLite 3, then database, and then this particular fast API points, right? So basically tested this to check how it works on Windows, and considering this is npm package, so it should globally work well for all the similar platforms, be it Mac or Linux. If you wish to use curl command, that was also option, but I went with the npm and it turned out pretty decent. And as far as the free tokens are concerned, you can use them while they are, once they are gone, they will be opening up the token plan, and then you will have to pay in order for it to use. So this is a good option for those who are looking for free AI as well as free decent model for coding, which is MiMo v2.5.